This month on Patreon, you'll have the opportunity to learn mixed media art with my new portrait drawing course called Colorful Mixed Media Portraits. Are you at a point in your drawing journey where you've got a pretty good handle on the basics, but you would love to begin to explore color and a few new drawing materials, but you're really not sure where to start? Well, here's a course that touches on all the right bases. It's a mixed media project done on watercolor paper prepared with acrylic washes, and the drawing is done with chalks, charcoal, watercolor pencils, and chalk pastels. This technique is extremely versatile. You still have a lot of control with your drawing, but you can achieve gorgeous colors. Hi, Carey here, and welcome back to the channel where we explore all things portraiture. In this course, we're going to do a realistic drawing in mixed media from a photo that you're going to take or from one you may already have. When I'm teaching my portrait courses, I always provide my students with an image that they can work from. But more often than not, they'll bring in photographs of family and friends or someone that they care about, and this is what they want to work from instead. And of course, this is completely natural and understandable. But the biggest problem I see with this is that quite often these photographs are not very good quality, or they're not really suitable as an art reference image. In this course, I'm also going to teach you how to take a good art reference image using the camera you've got and available natural light, or how to recognize a good photograph from the ones that you may already have. And we'll be using the time-honored methods of academic drawing. Here are the steps that we're going to go through. Once you've decided which reference photo you're going to work from, we'll go over all of our materials that we're going to use in this project and how to get a proper printout of the reference image that you'll work from. You'll learn how to set up your drawing board with your reference image so that you can use accurate measurements using the site size measuring technique. Then we'll create a preliminary drawing called a construct. Then we'll prepare our final working paper, which is done on watercolor and using acrylic washes. From there, we'll transfer our construct over to our good working paper. Then we'll work our way through the layers and the steps of developing the finished drawing. And these include the lay-in, edge preparation and big form modeling, working up the details and rendering values. In the end, you'll have a beautiful mixed media drawing of someone that you care about. My students very often frame these images and give them as gifts to family and friends, or they keep them as mementos. And it's very rewarding for them and for me as an instructor to see the joy that they experience while they're going through this process. So if you would like to develop the skills to create beautiful and realistic portraits, you can. Simply go to the Patreon link at the end of this video and find out how. So find out what you can do. Improve your skills, explore new mediums, and create something beautiful and memorable for your friends and family, and be part of a community. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in class. And remember, stay creative. This is your time to express yourself.